Does that sound make your heart jump?
Oh no, it's the phone. It's in English. What do I say? My mind goes totally empty.
If talking on the phone makes you feel scared or not sure, it's okay.
But don't worry. Today, in just some minutes, we will give you the best phrases, the secret words, to speak on the phone with complete confidence.
We'll practice 3 real calls: a restaurant, a train ticket, and asking about an order. I'm Olivia.
And I'm John. Let's change your phone fear into phone power. Let's start.
To sound confident on the phone, you need 3 simple things. We call them the 3 easy rules. Rule 1, say who you are.
When you call, tell your name and why you call. Speak slowly. Hello? Hello? Making a call. Hello, this is John. I call about.
Practice that phrase, I call about. It is very strong. Rule 2, ask for a person.
Sometimes you need to talk to a different person. Use these kind phrases.
Can I speak to John, please?
Is Olivia here?
Rule 3, ask them to slow down. The big secret.
The most important rule. What if the other person speaks too fast? Don't panic.
Can you speak slower, please? Can you say that again?
Use these. They show you are confident because you are helping the conversation.
Time to practice. Call 1, booking a table at a restaurant. John, you are the person calling.
Hello, this is John. I call about a table booking.
Good morning. Thank you for calling the Sunny Place restaurant. How can I help you?
I want to book a table for 2 people for Friday night.
Okay. What time?
7:30 p.m.
1 minute, please. Pause. Yes, we have a table at 7:30. What is your name?
My name is John Smith. Can you please spell that name for me?
S-M-I-T-H. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
You are welcome. See you soon.
Goodbye.
Listeners, did you hear John's phrase? Can you please spell that name for me? Use that when the name is hard.
Calling the train ticket office. Olivia, you call now. The voice is a bit fast.
Hello, I call about train tickets to London.
Yes, sir. Trains leave at 8:05, 9:20, and 10:45 a.m. Which time?
Oh, can you speak slower, please? And can you say the times again?
Yes. The times are 8:05, 9:20, and 10:45.
9:20. Good. How much does the ticket cost?
The price is £45.
Thank you. I will buy it online.
Thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye. Olivia used her power phrases. Can you speak slower? That's how you control the call and feel strong.
Great job. You just practiced 2 important phone calls. You are already much better. Remember the 3 easy rules. Name. Hello, this is John. Ask. Can I speak to? Help. Can you speak slower, please?
Your homework is easy. Practice 2 pretend calls tomorrow. 1 making a call and 1 receiving a call. Just imagine the situation.
And we would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us after you practiced and the phrases you mastered for phone calls. We can't wait to read your comments.
If this lesson helped you feel even a little better, please hit the subscribe button on Easy English every day.
Give us a like and share this with a friend. We believe in you.
Goodbye for now, and keep practicing.